Okay, I'm unboxing my Canon T2i. Just got it in the mail. Got it off eBay. Just got a whole bunch of extras. Got a screen protector, some cleaning accessories for the lenses, 8GB memory card. Ooh. A digital UV filter for the lenses, I guess. This camera bag, which is not mad at that at all. I thought it was supposed to be a Canon, but this is Z-Coast or something. What we got inside? Oh, nice. This is the better lens, the 55 to 250 millimeter lens. Go into that real quick. What we got here? Ooh, nice. I like this. So here's that lens. Canon all day. Yep. To cover off. Boom. Alright. Stick that back in there. Get excited. What is this? This is nothing. Okay, so that's the inside of it. Thinking about getting a hard case eventually. Here's the actual camera. The Rebel T2i, aka 550D. Open that up. Got all my, I want to fill out all that warranty stuff ASAP. Got a start disc or two. Software instruction manual. Another bunch of instructions, some books. This is officially from Canon, so that's why it's got all the right stuff. Sometimes you buy stuff like this and you get it straight from the manufacturer or from fakes or whatever. Here's some power cord, Canon strap, which it doesn't always come with. I believe this is the 55. The regular lens, the 55 to 80 millimeter. Yeah, 55 to 80 millimeter lens right here. Charger. Let's get to the main camera. Let's get to the body. Get to the good stuff right here. Nice little. It's in a burial shroud. I don't know if you know what that is, but it looks like it. There it is. There's that main body. Beautiful. Look at it. Check it out. All that stuff. Nice. That's where all the goods go right there. Stick that back on. Nice. So, turn it on now. For the first time, what we got? And I don't know if you can see that. Just playing around.